Alright guys, I didn't do an intro on this because I didn't know this was going to happen. This video is actually of our family dog, Heaven, got her first bird. So with her getting her first bird, we are just super excited, so I had to go ahead and post this up. So go ahead and enjoy it. This is some crazy. Snake grass. Hello. Nope. Woo. See that, Heavy? See that? Get in here, Heavy. Come on. Nice shot.
Go get it, Gavin. Go get it. Girl. Hang on.
Good girl.
Right here.
I'm on record.
Girl, drop.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go ahead and replay that in slow-mo this time. Nice shot.
Go get it, Gavin. Go get it. Girl. Hang on.
Good girl.
Right here.
Well, we at least got my puppy dog her first bird, but we didn't get nothing for me. Well, that's all right. My puppy got a bird. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you on the next one.